How to do P2p in Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to do P2p in Binance. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, you can go ahead and log in into your Binance account. Make sure that your account is verified. Then it's going to take you to the home page. So here you can just go ahead and select the destination country or the receiving currency and the currency you are paying. So for that, go to wallet, and then you can go ahead and tap the transfer button and enter in the exact information, that is the destination country, receiving currency, and the currency you are going to pay. Then you need to select the recipient from the recipient list, or you can just go ahead and paste in the wallet address that the receiver has provided, and you'll see a summary of your payment information, and you'll be able to ask or to confirm your payment. So when you're logged into your account, then you can go to your icon from the top left hand side corner, and then you need to go ahead and select P2p. So right on this page, you can go ahead and choose the destination country, receiving currency, and the currency you're paying. So basically provide in the information that the receiver has provided you, maybe a trust wallet, maybe a QR code or a wallet address and all that, and you'll see a summary of your payment information. You'll also be asked to confirm your payment by entering the passcode or maybe confirming your payment details and all that, and a P2p order will be sent to Binance P2p. So that is how you can do P2p in Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.